Firewall, what it is,
and how hackers bypass it.
Firewall guards the network line, but it only checks what you define.
It's a gate between you and the net, filters traffic, what to allow, what to reject, works on rules, ports, IP flow. If it matches allow,
it lets it go. But Firewall don't see inside your app. If port is open, it trusts that path. Bad rules set or too much allowed. Now safe looking traffic hides in the crowd. Outbound open, that's a risk. Your system can talk and you might miss.
I scan your ports, find what's live. 8443, I arrive. Web at week,
I inject through there.
Firewall sees HTTP,
Thinks it's fair.
reverse shell,
I don't come in.
I make your system connect.
I win.
Allowed traffic is my disguise.
I don't break rules, I utilize. Close unused ports, reduce the door. Strict rules only, nothing more. Use WAF to inspect deep flow. IDS alerts what Firewall won't know. Limit outbound, don't trust all. Monitor logs, catch the call. Firewall doesn't stop a hacker, it only tests how well you configured it.